Okay, so today we're going to be going over how to convert improper fractions to mixed numbers. To begin, an improper fraction is when you have your numerator is greater than your denominator. So 7 is greater than 2, so that makes it an improper fraction. A mixed number is when you have a whole number like 5 and you have a fraction as well. So 5 and 1/3 would be a mixed number. So we're going to focus on 7 halves or 7 over 2. So basically what you're thinking about is 7 over 2 is the same as saying 1/2 times 7. So what you want to think about is how many times can 1/2 or 2, how many times can 2 go into 7 without going over? So we know that 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8, and 8 is greater than 7, so we're going to go with 6. So 2 times 3 is 6, and you're going to subtract, and you have 1 left. This will become your whole number. So you will have 3. You will know that you were looking at 1/2. What's left over is this 1. So 7 halves, or 7 over 2, is equivalent to 3.5. You can also think about this using models. So if I were to use models, I would be looking at, here is 1/2 and 2 halves. So we have 1/2, 2 halves, and we need to find 7 halves, right? So we have now 3 halves and 4 halves. And now we have 5 halves and 6 halves. And finally, we have 7 halves. So here are our whole numbers. We have, this is 1 whole, this is 1 whole, and this is 1 whole. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. And then we have this half left. So 7 halves is equal to 3 1/2.